Once you bought the CD, there will be the instructions to set up the CD in your personal laptop or desktop. So once successful setup is done, you will ask to register in a form where you want to give the serial number, and while registering you need internet connection, you need data. After successful registration, the sheet which is appearing in front of you will show. So once registration is over, there is no need of internet connection. Even second time, third time while taking the exams, you don't need any internet connection. Okay, this CD is about the 1 mark areas for 12th standard students in mathematics. So now I'm going to take you people for a demo test. First, click on the Start Test button. Once you click on, you can see a window with two steps. Step 1 have two options. One is chapter wise and other one is model exam. Chapter wise section will shows you chapter wise test. Model exam is nothing but a simulation of board exam pattern with 40 questions. The major advantage of the CD is the test will show with timelines. Okay, let me take you into chapter wise test right now. So select chapter wise radio button. Once you click on the radio button, under step 2 you can see the 10 chapters. So let me select the chapter 1, matrices and determinants. Once select the chapter, in the second column you can see 3 categories: textbook, come book, text and come book. So let me select a combination of text and come book. Now immediately you can see in the next column the number of questions varies from 10 to 40, which also differs based on the chapters. So let me select 10. Now click on the Start Test button. Now you can see the window with question numbers 10 with the timing left 5 minutes, approximately 30 seconds for each question. So let me start the test now. First question, so let me give option number 2. Since I was somewhat familiar in maths, I'm going directly. Click the next button. The rank of matrix, so I'll select option 1, the next button. Now answer 2 questions. In the meantime, I would like to quit the test. I can click the finish button. Now it shows a pop-up with the message, you didn't answer 8 questions. Now click the OK button. If you want quit, click the yes button or else no. Okay, so let me give no button. So my time left right now is 3 minutes 56 seconds. So I want to move faster. Once the time is over, I can't see the screen again. So let me randomly select the answer right now. Let me go for option 3. I'm clicking next button. They need A inverse. So order is 3. I'm giving first option. I'm giving next button. The next question, the answer was option 4. Click the next button. Okay, the number of unknowns, then the system has, since the rank A is equal to number of unknowns, it should be in, since it's an homogeneous, let me select only trivial solution. Next button. Delta equal to 0, all the 2 by 2 minus of delta x, delta y, delta z are 0, at least one non-zero element is in delta, one non-zero element is in, the system is consistent and system single equation. Next button, the rank of the matrix, so let me select option 1. The next button, rank of the matrix, let us select 2. The 10th question, commensurate is applicable with 3 unknowns when delta is not equal to 0. So now I completed my test. There is no more question to answer, so I'll get a pop-up state. Your test is now over. Please click on the finish button to view the results. Now click the OK button. Now click the finish button. It will ask you, do you want to submit? You can't change the answers once submitted. Now click the S button. Once you click the S button, immediately you can see the evaluation results. You don't need any external examiner. Here you can see the score. Our score was 8. That time was 5 minutes. Time left was 2 minutes 4 seconds. And today date, chapter name, total number of questions, total number of answered, total number of not answered. And in the evaluation results, you can see the result. If your answer is same as it is correct answer, you will get a green tick mark. And you can see the category, whether it comes from textbooks or Combook. You can see the chapter name. You can also view the question. So if you scroll down, you can see all the 10 questions. If your answer is not the right answer, you can see a cross mark with red indicator. So what you can do further is, if you want, you just take this print screen, a snapshot of this screen, put it in your folder, find out the questions where you answered wrongly, find the right answers. This helps you to get right answer the next time. So once you have seen that evaluation sheet, close it. Now again go to start test button. You can see your performance summary over here. Now matrices and determinants, the test number which I've taken was second. So I've taken the test with a combination of textbook and Combook. So I can able to see the textbook percentage was 60 and the Combook percentage was 50. So after a n number of tests, you can see a performance summary with all the chapters, where you can also find out how many percentage have you got in textbook and Combook. So it gives a clear picture, like in which chapter you got less percentage and in which area, like textbook or Combook. Based on this, you can go for those chapter again and you can take a number of tests which will improve your percentage. Now let me give you a demo about model exam. So once model exam option was selected in the main screen, you can go directly to click on the start test button. Now I'm clicking this OK button. Again I'm clicking the start test button. Now I can able to see the screen with the total number of questions 40, just like a board exam pattern. For each question 30 seconds, so the time starts from 20 minutes with the date. This model exam is just a simulation of your board exam pattern with an aggregate of 4 questions from 8 chapters, 6 questions from vector algebra and 2 questions from differential calculus. Just like in board exam pattern, the model exam questions were developed. So let me finish as soon as. So let me give one answer what I want here. So let me go for the order and degree. Option is 2. I'll go for next button. Variance x is 4. It is mean 2. The e of x square. So variance of random variable is 4. Its mean is 2. E of x square. So variance, I know the formula. E of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x is nothing but mean. So variance is 4. 4 plus 2 square 4, 8 is the answer. Let's give option. Since it's a demo tool, I'm going to wind up this test. So let me finish off by clicking the finish button. It throws you didn't answer 38 questions, but it's just a demo. I'm just going to submit the test without answering the 38 questions by clicking this S button. The same way I can like what I got for chapter wise test sheet, I'll get for model exam also. And this model exam answer was designed in such a way it shows along chapter wise. See the first 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's taken from determinant. This is your government pattern. 3 from textbook, 1, 2, 3, and 1 from combo. So I answered only 2 questions. I got 1 is right, 1 is wrong. So let me find out where is right question by scrolling down. So I got 1 question is right in the chapter probability and distribution. Okay. Now to view the summary, click this view summary button. It shows you model exam performance chapter wise. Here you can see the correct answers. Here you can see the total number of questions in each chapter. This was prepared just like a government model exam pattern. So attempt 1 question right out of 4 questions in the chapter probability and distribution. So my percentage 1 out of 4 it's become 25%. This performance summary will give you a clear picture where you exactly stand for. An example, out of 10 chapters, I can find out based on the percentage and which chapter I was really good and which chapter I lose marks. So after seeing this, I can go for the chapter wise test. I'll practice well, then I'll come back to model exam. By this way, I'll get a better score in my next model exams. So once the exam is over, you can close it off. You can see the main screen again. I think you can use this CD in your right way to secure more marks in your 1 mark. I thought many people are losing centum in 1 marks and many people are getting fail marks because of 1 mark. So this CD will help in both the ways and you can crack the exams with good marks by scoring 40 out of 40 in 1 marks. So I wish all the students all the best for their forthcoming public examinations. So try to use the CD and get more marks. Once again, all the best students. Thank you.